Are you looking for the best shop vacs? In this video we will look at some of the best shop vacs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Vacmaster Wet / Dry Vacuum. After testing 25 different options at home and in the lab, our pick for the best shop vac is the Vacmaster Wet / Dry Shop Vacuum. We found it to be a highly effective wet / dry vacuum that's easy to use and not too big for storage in the typical garage. Plus, the lift-away blower function makes this a very versatile 2-in-1 tool that's sure to find many uses inside and outside your home. As for the more typical vacuum functions, both wet and dry, we found this corded tool to be no slouch. It has a 5 horsepower motor, and while it might not be at the commercial vacuum level of power, its numbers are more than sufficient for just about any around the house or garage need. Its top airflow, the speed at which it can suck in air, is 106 cubic feet per minute, which is not the highest on our list, but it easily handles most household messes. It has a water lift of 60 inches, which is a measurement of the motor's suction force. Put together, those numbers give you the overall power of the vacuum to move wet or dry messes. We put it to a real-world test, cleaning up spilled muddy potting soil after repotting a plant. The vacuum easily sucked up everything, water and all, leaving behind nothing but a slightly damp spot on the floor. Close-up of hand-holding detachable handheld blower above Vacmaster VBV 1210 12-gallon 5-peak HP wet / dry vacuum. We found the detachable handheld blower unit of the Vacmaster Wet / Dry Shop Vacuum very useful around the house, especially for clearing snow off our patio steps. The Spruce / Jennifer Bonnickson. This wet / dry vacuum has a 7-foot hose with a 2.5-inch diameter and 2 extension wands for even more reach. We found it very easy to maneuver the hose wherever needed, and it was easy to coil inside the tank for storage when not in use. The vacuum also includes 4 attachments, a wider utility nozzle that is handy for spread-out messes but does drop a bit in power, a crevice nozzle for tight spots, a car nozzle for reaching easily into crooks and crannies in your automobile, and a concentrator nozzle that provides the most intense suction for heavier or more difficult messes. The detachable top easily lifts away for use as a separate blower. We used it to blow snow off patio steps, but with its 210 miles per hour wind capacity, you'll find many uses around your home, garage, and yard. The vacuum was easy to assemble, and we liked how easily it rolled around our home, including over the carpet. While it has a 12-gallon capacity, we found it easy to lift and carry. All the attachments fit nicely on top for compact storage, as well. Tank capacity, 12 gallons, peak horsepower, 5 HP air volume, 106 CFM cord length, 12 feet weight, 18.2 pounds filter type, cartridge and foam wet. At number 2. Shark MessMaster Wet Dry Vacuum. This 1-gallon capacity corded wet / dry vacuum might be small, but we found its performance impressive. While the manufacturer does not specify the airflow or horsepower, this shop vac was powerful enough to handle smaller tasks around our home and is very handy for vacuuming debris out of the car. The AnyBag feature is especially nice. This allows you to line the dust canister with a plastic bag for sucking up unpleasant messes and then easily tossing the entire bag without having to worry about cleanup or spills. We tested the vacuum's abilities to clean up a variety of floor grunge, including scattered kitty litter, popcorn kernels, and cereal. The vacuum comes with 3 attachments, and we found that the squeegee tool did the best job at lifting finer debris, although it grabbed slightly at the floor, requiring us to tilt it slightly for best results. A person clips the attachment holder to the canister of the Shark VS101 MessMaster Portable Wet Dry Vacuum. We like the AnyBag feature of the Shark VS101, which allowed us to use any plastic bag as a liner. The Spruce / Henry Wurtok. The carpet tool did the best job on the larger bits of debris, although it had slightly less power. The vacuum also comes with a crevice nozzle, which we used to successfully clean a high chair. It pulled out all manner of crumbs and bits of spilled food from all the chair surfaces. We then turned to wet testing, using the squeegee tool to suck up water quickly and easily. Once done vacuuming, it's easy to clean this tool, as the dust canister is dishwasher safe and can also be rinsed by sucking up a cup of water. We do wish that it had wheels for easier transport though, and while it includes 2 extension wands that are quite useful for extending the 3-foot hose, there is no onboard storage to hold them when not in use. Tank capacity, 1 gallon, peak horsepower, not listed, air volume, not listed, cord length, 15 feet, weight, 9.8 pounds, filter type, foam. At number 3. Craftsman Heavy Duty Wet/Dry Vac. This powerful wet/dry vac from Craftsman is designed to tackle large messes both inside and outside the house. It has a 16-gallon capacity, a 6.5 peak horsepower motor, and an airflow capacity of 130 cubic feet per minute. By switching the hose position, you can use it to vacuum or to blow, and we put it to good use blowing away fallen leaves and other debris from the porch and then switching to the vacuum mode to suck up water, mud, leaf debris, and other grunge that had tracked into the house. The 7-foot hose plus 2 extension wands meant no need to bend or stretch. There is plenty of reach with this vacuum. The 20-foot power cord means that you'll unlikely need an extension cord for use inside the house, garage, or workshop. Close-up of power button on Craftsman comes FB17595 16-gallon wet/dry vac with attachment. The hose attachments of the Craftsman comes FB17595 made it easy to reach any mess. The Spruce/Donna Freidkin. We loved how easy it was to use the vacuum. It required no assembly and was very easy to operate. It comes with 3 attachments, one for general use, one for wet vacuuming, and one car nozzle that's narrow for reaching into crooks and crannies. We used the wet attachment to suck up puddles of rainwater from between patio pavers, and it performed like a champion. We used the other 2 attachments on various spills and messes indoors and outside, and the vacuum handled everything without issue. We love that there's a large drain at the bottom of the canister for emptying out liquid. To empty dry debris, just unlatch the cover, lift, and dump. On the downside, although the vacuum has wheels, it's fairly heavy at 28 pounds, and we did find it somewhat cumbersome to move it about occasionally. This might be more of an issue for someone shorter than average, though. Because it is big, it takes up quite a bit of storage space, although we like that the accessories have neatly organized onboard storage spots. While not everyone needs such a large shop vac, this is a reasonably priced and very effective option if you want a vacuum for your woodworking hobby, you live in an area where wet leaves and other yard debris often get tracked inside, or you just want a vacuum that can handle whatever messes come your way. Tank capacity, 16-gallon peak horsepower, 6.5 HP air volume, 130 cfm cord length, 20 feet weight, 28 pounds filter type, cartridge. At number 4. Ryobi Cordless Wet/Dry Vacuum. This cordless wet/dry vacuum has a 10-gallon capacity and comes with a 40-volt, 4-amp-hour battery, so it can handle large messes with ease. We used this battery-powered shop vac to clean out a minivan from top to bottom, clean up after a child's art project, and suck up water spilled onto the floor, and after all that, a total of more than 30 minutes, the battery still had some juice left. We liked how easy it was to clean. There's a drain plug at the base for emptying liquids, and for dry debris, just unclip the top and dump the contents of the collection canister. Woman attaching hose to Ryobi 40V 10-gallon cordless wet/dry vacuum. The Ryobi 40V 10-gallon cordless wet/dry vacuum comes with 2 attachments, flat for general use and a crevice tool. The Spruce/Jody Espinoza. Like many wet/dry vacuums, this one comes with 2 attachments, one that's slim for reaching into crevices and corners and a flat attachment for general use. We found both did a good job, and we experienced no drop in suction power while using either one. We also appreciated the 2 extension wands that add extra reach to the 8-foot hose. We could easily reach in and all around the minivan without excessively awkward stretching and bending. Plus, we found the shop vac reasonably quiet, even when working close to it. With an airflow capacity of 80 cubic feet per minute, this isn't the most powerful option for that. You'd need a corded model, but it's certainly more than adequate for the typical messes found around the kitchen, garage, or workshop. You can also switch the hose from the vacuum port to the air outlet for a blower, making the tool very versatile. It comes with a cartridge filter for vacuuming dry debris and a foam filter for cleaning up liquid messes. We found it easy to swap the filters as needed. Thanks to the onboard storage for all accessories, we didn't need much space to store the shop vac between uses. Tank capacity, 10-gallon, peak horsepower, not applicable air volume, 80 cfm cord length, not applicable weight, 16.2 pounds filter type, cartridge and foam. At number 5. DeWalt Wet/Dry Portable Vac Kit. If you mostly want a powerful option for vacuuming your car or other small jobs around the house and garage, we recommend this battery-powered model from DeWalt. We found it very effective for vacuuming out a car, including floors, seats, along the console and dashboard, and on the doors. While the short, 3-foot hose was very easy to maneuver, it was a bit tricky to stretch underneath the car seats, but with some dexterity, we got the job done. Since the vacuum only weighs 7.75 pounds, the lightest on our list, it wasn't tiring to lift or hold while we worked. The canister holds up to 0.5 gallons of wet or dry debris, which is perfect for car care, although not best for big jobs like tackling a woodworking shop. Unlike most Shop Vacs, the attachments don't come off this one. Instead, they are built in place. There's a wide, flat attachment at the front of the vacuum for use on floors and other relatively open surfaces. Unclip the hose from that attachment, and you'll find a narrow crevice tool at the end of the hose. That means you don't have to worry about storing or losing the attachments, but it does mean that you might need to crouch down to use the flat attachment on floors or other low surfaces. DeWalt 20V Max 1/2 gallon wet/dry portable vac kit opened on floor. We found the DeWalt 20V Max 1/2 gallon wet/dry portable vac kit easy to open to access the debris compartment and filter. The spruce/page Vandy wheel. We used both attachments to clean the car and to suction up a small spill of water. Both performed well, and we noted no loss of suction power. Cleaning the vacuum is easy, just open the canister clips and dump out the contents, wipe the interior of the vacuum if needed, and close it back up for the next use. We especially like that this vacuum comes with a HEPA filter, something not often found on these tools. While the sound is loud, about 80 decibels, according to the manufacturer, it's not much worse than a regular floor vacuum. Point 1. We tested this wet/dry vacuum in a configuration that comes with a 20-volt, 4-amp-hour battery and charger and is ready to go right out of the box. We were able to clean the entire car without needing to recharge the battery and still had power left for another use. It's also available without the battery if you already have a compatible DeWalt battery, which will save you some money. Tank capacity, 0.50 gallon, peak horsepower, not applicable air volume, not stated, cord length, not applicable weight, 7.75 pounds, filter type, HEPA. At number 6. DeWalt 12-gallon wet/dry vac. While all of the vacuums on our list can be used to suck up both wet and dry debris, this Shop Vac from DeWalt won our highest praise for its ability to handle liquids during a real-world test when a pipe burst in our home's crawl space, causing considerable flooding. Luckily, this Shop Vac was already on hand and quickly brought to the rescue. With its 12-gallon capacity, it easily and effectively sucked up every bit of water, leaving just damp spots behind. With a drain port near the bottom of the canister, we had no trouble emptying the tank once it was full and then returning to our vacuuming. Thanks to the vacuum's 7-foot hose and 2 extension wands, we were able to suck up the water without having to bend or crouch down, and we found it easy to maneuver the hose where we needed it. The vacuum comes with 3 attachments, one for crevices, one for general use, and one for floor attachment with brush edges. We used all of them and noticed no fluctuations in suction power. At 23 pounds, this is the second heaviest on our list, just under our best large capacity pick, and of course, it weighs considerably more once filled with water, but its heavy-duty swiveling casters made it easy to move where we needed it. We also liked the 20-foot power cord, which meant we didn't need an additional extension cord to deal with the flood. Unlike most Shop Vacs, this one has a removable pouch for storing the attachments and extension wands when not in use. While that's handy, it also might make the vacuum somewhat bulkier or hard to move without dropping out the attachments. Also, while the hose has a clip to keep it secured around the top of the vacuum while stored, the nozzle hangs loose and could catch on nearby objects. Still, this powerful vacuum, which can also be used as a blower by reversing the position of the hose, is a worthwhile addition to any workshop, garage, or home where large messes, whether dry or wet, need to be dealt with effectively. Tank capacity, 12-gallon, peak horsepower, 5.5 HP air volume, 105 CFM cord length, 20 feet weight, 23 pounds filter type, cartridge. At number 7. Armor All Wet/Dry Vacuum. There's no need to spend a bundle on a Shop Vac when this very effective and reasonably priced option from Armor All is available. We put it to good use on several real-world tests, and it easily handled them all. With a capacity of 2.5 gallons, we think it's a great option for cleaning up after small DIY projects or other messes around the house or yard. First, we used the vacuum to clean up fine dust after sanding walls during a DIY painting project. The vacuum did a good job, although we had to stop and rinse the filter a few times before we were done. Ideally, we should have used a fine dust filter for that task, sold separately, but we didn't have it on hand. Next, we tested the wet suction feature by pouring 2 cups of water into a bucket and then sucking them up, this time using the wet foam filter. Again, the vacuum did so very effectively. Close-up of Armor All 2.5 gallon 2-peak HP utility wet/dry vacuum cleaning car interior. We used all of the attachments to clean a car with the Armor All 2.5 gallon wet/dry vacuum to great results. The Spruce/Ashley Krager. We then turned to the ultimate test, cleaning out a car that not only was littered with crumbs, leaf bits, and dust, but also plenty of dog hair. This vacuum comes with 5 attachments, and we used all of them during this test: a utility nozzle, blower nozzle, car brush, crevice tool, and detail brush. Overall, the vacuum did an impressive job of cleaning all the various car surfaces and removing all the debris, other than some of the dog hair stuck in the carpet. The 6-foot hose was easy to maneuver and long enough to reach everywhere inside the car. The vacuum has a 10-foot power cord, which is long enough for most inside use, but we did add an extension cord while working on the car. Emptying the vacuum is easy, just unlatch the top and dump the wet and dry contents out of the canister. At a mere 7 pounds, the lightest on our list, the vacuum is not difficult to tote wherever it's needed. By moving the hose, it can be switched from vacuum mode to blower mode. All the accessories are stored neatly on board, making it very simple to store the vacuum between uses. Tank capacity, 2.5 gallon, peak horsepower, 2 HP, air volume, 53 cfm cord length, 10 feet, weight, 7 pounds of filter type, washable cloth and wet foam. At number 8. Fein Turbo I Wet/Dry Dust Extractor. Any shop vac can be used to pick up dust, of course. But this professional level wet/dry vacuum is on a different level when it comes to catching even the finest dust particles, so small that you can't see them. We tested it in a woodworking shop, where we quickly filled the canister of this 5.8 gallon vacuum several times with sawdust and wood shavings. More properly called a dust extractor, this vacuum has a flat pleated filter that captures and retains much smaller particles than the typical filters in other shop vacs. While it can certainly suck up kitchen spills, craft projects gone wrong, and other general debris, this vacuum is more at home in a carpentry or woodworking shop, alongside an area where concrete or drywall are being cut, or anywhere else where very fine dust could be an issue. Fein Turbo I Wet/Dry Dust Extractor open on table. We appreciated the vacuum's excellent suction abilities, but note that it has a narrower hose than most shop vacs, with a 1.25-inch inner diameter and an equally small nozzle. That makes it ideal for dust but not as suited to larger debris like leaves. One unusual feature of this shop vac is that it comes with an adapter that allows you to hook the hose directly to a compatible power tool, such as a sander, grinder, or circular saw, along with an outlet for your power tool. Then, when you switch on the vacuum, it also powers up your tool. Shut your tool off, and the vacuum will run for an additional 15 seconds to clear the hose of dust. You can collect debris directly in the vacuum canister or use the included felt dust collection bag. While we liked the extra layer of dust collection provided by the bag, we didn't like how difficult it was to dump for reuse. While not inexpensive, these collection bags are better considered disposable than reusable. If using the vacuum without the collection bag, it's easy to open up the canister and dump the contents into the trash. While you can use this vacuum to clean up wet spills or general debris, it's best considered a specialized tool for dedicated use with fine dust cleanup, and it doesn't come with additional accessories, such as crevice tools or floor attachments. However, we appreciate its quiet performance, very strong suction, and 13-foot crush-proof hose. Tank capacity, 5.8 gallon, peak horsepower, 1.5 HP air volume, 150 cfm cord length, 19 feet, weight, 18 pounds of filter type, cellulose flat pleated.